Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can mute TikTok videos when you're opening the app. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, go to settings and privacy, then scroll down until you see playback. So you want to tap on that. This will just let you know videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok. Tap to unmute videos or use your device's volume controls. So if you're happy with all that, all you have to do is toggle that on. And once you come back out of here, once you go to open up TikTok again, you'll see the little mute symbol in the bottom right. So that's how you can mute TikTok videos when you open the app. Thanks for watching.